Hey, hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about a platform where you can learn concepts of data science, machine learning and big data with hands-on learning. Here you can get 2000 free code recipes and you can also get 120 plus reusable project solution. And guys, very important, this platform is being used by employees from different top tech companies like Netflix, Walmart, Microsoft, Uber and Amazon. And guys, this platform is very important for working professional along with students. So whether you are a working professional working in some company or a student who wants to learn, who wants to enhance their data science skill, then this platform is very important. And the name of the platform is Project Pro. Guys, this platform is basically based on project. Here you can learn different concepts by building projects. Here you can get different project solution and you can also get reusable codes. You don't need to write different projects. You don't have to write codes for your project. On this platform, you can get industry ready projects and you can release your projects in much faster way because you can get different code recipes and reusable projects from this platform. And over this platform, guys, you can learn different latest skills like Python, R, Spark, AWS, Azure. So this platform is very cool and very important for you guys to learn latest skill. And guys, over this platform you can save money and time because you can get reusable codes, verified codes, and you can use all those code recipes in your final project. So on this platform you can get end-to-end projects that can be used in your business, or you can use in your resume to showcase during the interviews and whatever you want. And all the projects on this platform has description like what is the business objective, what is the data description, what are the different technologies that has been used, and you will get different data sets and documentation and explanatory videos. Along with, you can download the codes that has been used in that project. And along with all this, you can get different plug and play modules. NumPy, Keras, scikit-learn, Pandas, TensorFlow, all these libraries have their plug and play modules that can be used in your project. So guys, at the last, the point is very clear. You can build your project, you can learn with hands-on learning, you can build your project in very faster way because here you will get free code recipes along with reusable code. So if you talk about the free code recipes, here is the tab where you can click and reach out to this platform where you can get different code recipes. Like you can get IPython notebooks which can be downloaded, and these all have 100 plus code snippets. So you can use these code snippets to learn different concepts. You can use these code snippets to build your project, and along with this you will get explanation. Like in these notebooks you will have explanation and detailed coverage what technologies have been used. You will get comments like what this particular line, if there is a code in that IPython notebook, then there will be description like what this code does and why this particular library has been used. So guys, here are the code snippets that can be used by you to enhance your skills. Like there is a first code snippet, I'm opening it, and you can see here are different detailed description about the project. Here are the related projects, then it is the example. Like you can see the example importing libraries, then these are the libraries, then you can see different code comments. So guys, output is there and you can access all these code recipes just by entering your email address and phone number. So it's very clear, you can enter your phone number and email address to access all these code recipes. Along with code recipes, guys, you can get solved projects. Solved projects are very important to learn different skills. Here you can get solved end-to-end data science and big data projects. You can see here different projects: Hadoop project for beginners, SQL analytics with Hive. And here you can say data science projects like building classification algorithm for digital transformation, data science project on wine quality prediction in R. So projects are very clear, these are end-to-end projects. And here you can get reviews of this platform along with the different latest blogs in machine learning, data science and big data. So I am going to just start a project and let us see how you can start a project and what is the procedure, how you can enroll on this platform. And by entering your email address and phone number, you can find your plan description. For 6 months, it's 32,900 and EMI is available with 0% interest. And for annual subscription, you will get annual subscription in 34,900, guys. And this is very important, guys. Here you will get 120 plus big data and data science projects. You will get 250 hours of videos and you will get different explanatory videos along with explanatory code along with IPython notebook. Everything will be available to you. And one more thing I want to clear, guys, these free recipes, free code recipes are absolutely free. You don't have to pay your monthly subscription or annual subscription. These are just free. You have to just give your email address and phone number to access these free code recipes. Just I am opening one of the algebraic expression code recipe, and you can see I am about to access, I am able to access this code. So guys, in this way you can get access to free code recipes of Project Pro, and you can get access to their projects and complete end-to-end data science and big data projects. And you can get the subscription details is here. You can get also $30 cash back when you enroll before 14th of December. So guys, this is all about Project Pro, where you can learn different data science and machine learning skills along with big data skills by doing projects. If you like this video, make sure to share this video to your friends who are working in data science and machine learning, and make sure to comment down your thoughts. What do you think about Project Pro? So guys, this is all about today's video. I hope you like this video. Thank you, bye bye, and have a good day.